Well, my mother always said I could sleep through a bomb when I get to sleep, that I can sleep through a bomb going off in my room and not even know it. Well, now apparently I can sleep through a tornado going through our yard. Woke up this morning and power was out. That's not unusual here. And then we walk outside and we find some roof shingles. We find all this stuff here, all this debris. It was on our patio. There's the rain spout. That what used to be over there on the patio. And let's see. Jeez, all this, what a mess. Trash can. All this crap. But that's not even the kicker. Ugh. See that shed? First we thought it was our shed, but no, our shed is still there. That's the neighbors from the backyard. It's their shed. I feel really sorry for them. I mean, we got lucky, of course, but holy shit. And those roof shingles that were in our yard, apparently they didn't come from this side of the house, so let's go see. What a bunch of junk. One of our boxes that we use to store stuff out on the patio here got torn open, so a lot of that junk is spread all over the yard. Well, this side of the roof looks kind of okay. I don't know where those roof shingles came from. Maybe they're from the next door neighbor's shed. I'd hate to be like that, but a tornado come through your yard, and you're lucky if you get very little damage, if any at all. Wow, look at this mess. We were lucky our house isn't damaged. I hope nobody else got their houses damaged and it was just stuff like a shed or something. So it's November 16th, I think, almost Thanksgiving, and I'm thankful our house is still standing.